Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, numeration. First 27 to 31 questions are to complete the sentence with correct ending. First is, a developed system of numbering. Answer is, B, was necessary when people began farming. जब लोगों ने फार्मिंग करना शुरू किया था तब नंबर्स का एक डेवलप्ड सिस्टम चाहिए था. As they began to settle, grow plants and herd animals, the need for a sophisticated number system became paramount. Next question is, an additional hand signal. Its answer is, A, was used when the range of number words was restricted. जब नंबर वर्ड्स कम थे, तब उसके साथ साथ हैंड सिग्नल का यूज किया जाता था. But in real situations the number and words are often accompanied by gestures to help resolve any confusion. Gestures का मतलब इशारों से. Next question is, in 7th century Europe, the ability to count to a certain number, its answer is, A, was necessary in order to fulfill a civic role. 7th century में एक certain number को count करने की ability का होना, एक नागरिक की जिम्मेदारी को पूरा करने के लिए जरूरी था. The average person in the 7th century in Europe was not as familiar with numbers as we are today. In fact, to qualify as a witness in a court of law, a man had to be able to count to 9. Next question is, thinking about numbers as concepts separate from physical objects, its answer is, C, was necessary for the development of arithmetic. Arithmetic की development के लिए numbers को physical objects से separate समझना जरूरी था. When the number 4 can be registered in the mind as a specific word, independent of the object being referenced, the individual is ready to take the first step toward the development of a notational system for numbers and from there, to arithmetic. Next question is, expressing number differently according to class of item, its answer is, G, was a characteristic of early numeration system. Item के हिसाब से अलग number express करना पुराने numeration system की विशेषता थी. Traces of the very first stages in the development of numeration can be seen in several living languages today. The numeration system of the Tsimshian language in British Columbia contains 7 distinct sets of words for numbers according to the class of the item being counted, for counting flat objects and animals, for round objects and time, for people, for long objects and trees, for canoes, for measures, and for counting when no particular object is being numerated. Next 32 to 40 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, for the earliest tribes the concept of sufficiency was more important than the concept of quantity. Early tribes में quantity से ज़्यादा important sufficiency का होना था. Our ancestors had little use for actual numbers, instead their consideration would have been more of the kind, is this enough? Rather than how many. तो इसका आंसर true होगा. Next question is, indigenous Tasmanians used only 4 terms to indicate numbers of objects. Tasmanian के people 4 terms use करते थे. The indigenous peoples of Tasmanian were only able to count 1, 2, many. तो यहाँ पर 3 terms दी हुई है, तो इसका आंसर false होगा. Next question is, some peoples with simple number systems use body language to prevent misunderstanding of expressions of number. कुछ लोग जिनके पास सिंपल नंबर सिस्टम था, वो नंबर्स की मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग को दूर करने के लिए बॉडी लैंग्वेज यूज करते थे. But in real situations the number and words are often accompanied by gestures to help resolve any confusion. तो इसका आंसर true होगा. Next question is, all cultures have been able to express large numbers clearly. सभी cultures large numbers को clearly express करने में समर्थ थे. The lack of ability of some cultures to deal with large numbers is not really surprising. मतलब कुछ cultures में ये कमी थी, तो इसका आंसर false होगा. Next question is not given. Next to that is, in general, people in 7th century Europe had poor counting ability. 7th century Europe के लोगों में counting ability poor थी. The average person in the 7th century in Europe was not as familiar with numbers as we are today. तो इसका आंसर true होगा. Next question is, in the Tsimshian language, the number for long objects and canoes is expressed with the same word. Tsimshian language में long objects and canoes के number को same word से express किया जाता था. The numeration system of the Tsimshian language in British Columbia contains 7 distinct sets of words for numbers according to the class of the item being counted, for counting flat objects and animals, for round objects and time, for people, for long objects and trees, for canoes, for measures and for counting. तो यहाँ अलग अलग वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते थे, इसलिए इसका आंसर फॉल्स होगा. Next question is, the Tsimshian language contains both older and newer systems of counting. Tsimshian language में counting के नए और पुराने दोनों तरीके थे. It seems that the last is a later development while the first 6 groups show the relics of an older system. दोनों ही systems की बात हो रही है, तो इसका आंसर true होगा. Next question is not given. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.